Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine and staying safe at home. Today, we will learn a new chapter from the book New Astor. The name of the story is The Forgetful Girl, chapter 4, page number 23. So, children, take out your book so that we can understand this chapter. So let us read the story about a forgetful girl, Bessie. So the story is like this. There was once a girl called Bessie who was sent away to stay in the country after she had been ill. She loved the country so much that she was very happy. So once there was a girl whose name was Bessie, and she was always ill. That's why she was sent to a country, means a place which is away from big town and big cities. And she loved that place so much that she was very happy. I too like the cows, she said to the farmer's wife. I love the way the stanners stare at me and munch, munch, munch all the time. And one day Bessie said to farmer's wife that she liked the cows. Why? Because they stare at her and she loved the way they stand and they munch the grass all the time. Oh, so it was you who went into the cow's field this morning, said the farmer's wife. I wondered who had left the gate open. One of the cows wandered away and it took me an hour to find her. And then what the farmer's wife said, that I was wondering that who has opened the gate, because one of her cow wandered and it took 1 hour for the farmer's wife to find her. See, you shut the gate after you, Bessie. That is one of the first thing to remember when you are in the country. And then the farmer's wife said Bessie again that one thing you have to remember in this place, that you have to always close the gate. You have to always shut the gate whenever you come out of the field. Bessie liked the little lambs too. She crawled through a hole in the hedge to get two little lambs playing together. So Bessie, she also loved the lambs too. So what did she do? She made a big hole in between the hedges to get 2 little lambs playing together. She told the farmer about them. Oh, so it was you who made the big hole enough for the lambs to squeeze through, said the farmer crossly. So the farmer, he was angry and he said, oh, it was you who made a big hole in between the hedges for the lambs to come in and out through. Those 2 lambs crept out of that hole and got into the road. So what happened because of that? 2 lambs, they came out from the field and they were into the road. Please do not crawl through the gaps in the hedge and make them big enough for my animals to escape. And then what the farmer said again to Bessie, that please do not crawl through the hedges and make a big hole for the animal to escape through. Bessie was so forgetful that she hardly remembered to shut any gate. But Bessie was very forgetful, and so she always forget to shut the gate. Horses escaped, the bull got out of the orchard, and hens ran out of the yard, all because of forgetful Bessie. And so what happened because of forgetful Bessie? The horses escaped. The bull got out of the orchard and the hen ran out of the yard. One day, Bessie saw the farmer's wife planting seeds in her garden and she wanted to plant some too. So one day what Bessie saw, that farmer's wife, she is planting some seeds in her garden and Bessie also wanted to do so. Couldn't I have my own bit of garden and grow some seeds there, she asked. And then Bessie asked the farmer's wife that could not she get her own bit of garden to grow some seeds. The farmer's wife gave Bessie a little garden. So Bessie got a little garden. It had its own bit of grass and its own small white gate. So now Bessie was having her own garden, her own grasses and her small white gate. Bessie was very proud of it. She planted marigold, lettuce, radishes and mustard. She weeded and watered her garden well. So she weeded the garden. Weeded means she took out the wild plants which was grown in her garden and she also watered her plants every day. But one day when Bessie came home from the school, she got a dreadful shock. So what is the meaning of dreadful? Dreadful means very bad. So one day when Bessie came from the school, she got a very bad shock. Not a thing was in her garden. Not a single thing was there in her garden. Bessie stood and stared and then she burst into tears. Now Bessie started crying. The farmer's wife was sad too. She said to Bessie, "Look, those are the footsteps of the lamb from the field. Did you leave your gate open?" Bessie remembered how she has left it open and had not gone back to shut it. Now, the farmer's wife was also very sad for Bessie. And then she said to Bessie that, "See, look, here are the footprints of the lamb." And then she asked Bessie that, "Did you leave your gate open?" And then Bessie remembered that she has forget to shut the gate. She couldn't bear to think that her pretty garden all spoiled and eaten because of her own foolish carelessness. Now Bessie was very sad and she couldn't bear that because of her forgetful behavior she has spoiled her own little garden which she loved a lot. Now I know how the farmer felt like when I left the gate open and the horses escaped. Now Bessie, she realized that how the farmer might have felt when she forget to shut the gate and the horses escaped. I now know what it feels like. Now she's realizing everything. I won't leave my gate open or anyone else either. Now Bessie, she promised herself that from now onwards she will never leave her or others' gate open because it can harm someone's garden and it can make someone sad. So children, I hope you would have loved this story. Now children, we will learn few hard words. The first one is wondered. W-A-N-D-E-R-E-D. Wondered. The second one is crowd. C-R-A-W-L-E-D. Crowd. The third one is hedge. H-E-D-G-E. Hedge. The fourth one is crept. C-R-E-P-T. Crept. The fifth one is yard. Y-A-R-D. Yard. Now children, we will go through the meaning. The first one is country, and the meaning is land that is away from big towns and cities. Wandered, moved around. Crowd, moved forward on hands and knees with body close to the ground. Hedge, a row of small trees that are planted close to each other in order to form a boundary. Crossly, angrily. Crept, moved without being seen or heard. Escaped, got away. Yard, a piece of land next to or around your house. Weeded, removed wild plants. Dreadful, very bad. Stared, looked at for a long time. Burst, here the meaning of burst is started. Shut, close something. Bear, to be able to accept. Now we will do comprehension. Circle the correct answers. The first one is, in the story, who usually left the gates open? The three options: farmer, farmer's wife, and Bessie. And the answer is Bessie. The second one is, which animal got out of the orchard? The three options: bull, horse, lamb. And the answer is bull. The third one is, what did Bessie plant in her garden? The three options: peppers, lemons, and radishes. And the answer is radishes. Now children, I hope you all have understood this chapter well, and I want you all to learn everything. So children, thank you very much and God bless you all.